Okay, this is my review for the final exam. I don't ever recall having a mountainous background, but it's kind of nice. It looks like we're in the Rockies. All right, so I went over every question in the final today to prepare you for the fall 2023 final. There is a lot on behavior therapy, operant conditioning, classical conditioning. Make sure you know and understand that. It's very heavy on the behaviorism side, so make sure you focus on that. Need to know what the ABC model is and what that stands for. Need to know REBT, all the founders of the therapies from behavior up, all the way through narrative. Multimodal was a question about Lazarus multimodal therapy. You may have not, we may not have focused on that too much. Make sure you review that. CBT is covered, the basics, theorist. Reality therapy, there's a few questions about that, and the WDEP model, what that stands for. Make sure you memorize that. The constructs of feminist therapy, what is the basic of feminist therapy? What are the beliefs of feminist therapy? There's some brief solution focus, which we'll talk about today when we meet. Postmodernism and a couple of questions on narrative. I think those were fairly easy, but brief solution focus we'll talk about today when we meet. And that is what is on the final. I think there was one question on mindfulness, which you would find in the CBT chapter. It's like a weird little cursor on me. But that's it. And let's see, it was about maybe 60 questions, and there were no short answer. Everything is multiple choice. And I will be spending the weekend porting those into Brightspace, but they're still in Connect. But this fairly straightforward. People usually do very well in it. And I know everyone is also working on their papers. So if you have questions about that, just let me know. And this was your mini review.